Hello student, our today's topic is nomenclature of ether. We already seen the nomenclature of alcohol, nomenclature of phenol, and today's topic is nomenclature of ethers. For nomenclature, we have to identify parent chain, that is longest continuous carbon chain or longest hydrocarbon. We have to identify principal functional group used in suffix, and we have to identify substituent and its position used in prefix. Students, for nomenclature of ethers, there are also two systems, common name and IUPAC system. We already seen in alcohol and phenol, common and already IUPAC system, there are some same rules, but in common names of ethers, ethers are considered as hydrocarbon where hydrogen is replaced by OR, that is alkoxy or aryloxy group. For naming two alkyl or aryl groups attached to the oxygen, alphabetical order is used. That means when this oxygen is attached to one methyl group and one C2H5, that is ethyl group, then ethyl is used first, then methyl. Third, when there is a symmetrical ether, that means CS3 and CS3, this is a symmetrical ether, then di is added before the group. Name of this compound is dimethyl ether. In IUPAC names, larger hydrocarbon is considered as parent chain and the smaller group is attached with oxy group. Then name of ether forms alkoxy alkane. For the nomenclature of ether, there are some examples. See here, students. This is CS3O CS3. The divalent oxygen is attached to one methyl group and this is also methyl group. This is a symmetrical ether. Hence, in common name system, the name is dimethyl ether. Dimethyl ether. In common name system, the name of this compound is dimethyl ether. And IUPAC naming system, as it is a symmetrical ether, hence there is no problem. Hence, this methyl group is converted into methoxy and this is methane. The name of this compound is methoxy methane. This is symmetrical. When there is a ethyl group, then name of this compound is methoxy ethane, but here two groups are same, hence the compound name, common name is dimethyl ether and IUPAC name is methoxy methane. See the next example here. Also this is a symmetrical ether and common name of this compound is diethyl ether. And for IUPAC naming system, one of the alkyl group which is larger is considered as alkane and smaller considered as attached with oxy group, but this is a symmetrical ether, hence name of this compound is ethoxy ethane. IUPAC name ethoxy ethane. This is a IUPAC name, this is common name and this is IUPAC name. Consider here another example. In this example, see here, the divalent oxygen is attached with two alkyl groups, one methyl group and other propyl group. In common name system, we use the alphabetical order. We know that M is in alphabetical order, methyl group come first, hence name of this compound is methyl, common name methyl propyl, methyl N propyl, as it is a straight chain, methyl L propyl ether. This is common name of this compound. And IUPAC name of this compound is, here larger group is propane, hence parent chain is of propane. That means this is the propane, and smaller is methoxypropane. The name of this compound is methoxypropane. IUPAC name methoxypropane. In this way we give the names. Always remember that the larger group is converted into parent alkane and smaller is attached with oxy group, methoxypropane. In this way, this is the name of IUPAC name of this compound. See here another example. Here in this one benzyl or phenyl group is attached here, and here one ethyl group is attached. Here this is a larger group, hence this is a parent and it is oxy group, it is attached with oxy group. Hence in common name system the name of this compound is ethyl phenyl ether. Ethyl phenyl ether. Name of this compound is ethyl phenyl ether. And in IUPAC system name of this compound is ethoxybenzene. Name of this compound is ethoxybenzene, as it is a derivative of benzene. See here C6H5, C6H6 is a benzene, hence ethoxybenzene. Consider another example. This is a new example. See here, student, see carefully. What is this name? A common name of this compound is not possible, or there are various problems for common name, but the clear cut IUPAC names is used here. See here the parent chain here, see here, this is a parent chain, this is a parent chain, and this is alkoxy group is attached. Student, see here, this is a parent chain, and for that parent chain this is a alkoxy group. We have to firstly know the name of parent chain. See here, as here जो methyls 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5, here 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Students, see here, that means this compound is cyclohexane. What is this? Cyclohexane. Cyclohexane. This compound is cyclohexane. But to the cyclohexane there are two methyl groups attached to one position. Hence name is 1,1 dimethyl cyclohexane. And to this parent chain is attached with ethoxy group. Hence overall name of this compound is ethoxy 1,1 dimethyl cyclohexane. In this way we see the nomenclature of ethers. Okay student, we have to stop here. Thank you.